Hello, my name is Ashley Bible, and I'm going to quickly show you how to use templates in Jamboard. So you can create your own templates. I'm just in a PowerPoint right now, or you can create them in Google Slides. But the size that I used, 16 by 9. If you are using my templates, I just want to walk you through how to edit things so that you will be good to go. And I'll put these in the show notes. On this first one, instead of spelling out names there, this is where you would just type in the name of the character that you are going to have your students write about. Or if you are doing any sort of, like you could put noun there, and they would put the sticky notes over to the side. Just whatever you want that to say, that's how you edit. And if you want to add another line, you just do a tab, resize it. Now obviously that orange there might not be appealing to have two oranges in a row, so you click on that, go to home, fill in, and then take that eyedropper and just choose whatever color you want. That way it adds a box and changes the colors like that. On all of these, all of the elements are editable, so here you could fill in 1 doesn't understand well, 5 understands extremely well, or 1 has not mastered the content, 5 mastered the content. Every single one of these are editable. You can copy and paste your standards in there, just whatever you want. But after you do your editing, you will want to go to File, Save or Save a Copy, and then instead of a PowerPoint, you are going to save this as a JPEG. Because when we get over there to the Jamboard, you are going to insert those PowerPoint slides as an image. Okay, so let me take you to where you can get to your Jamboard and create your Jamboard. Just go to your Google account, click on the little waffle there, I'm not sure what else to call it, and then click on Jamboard. You can see I have quite a bit here. You will then hit this plus arrow and it says New Jam. Click on that, and then you go to Set Background. You're going to choose an image of those that you just had. So let's do this one. Now, one extremely important thing is how to share this with your students. So you're going to go to Share, and you have to change the settings. Go down here, and this says Can View. We don't want View. We want Edit, and then I want anyone with the link can edit. So when it says anyone on the internet with this link can edit, that's where it's at. Then you copy that link and you can give that to your students. Once they are in there, they will click on the sticky notes, they will type what they want to type, just hit save, click off of it, and they can change the size of it or whatever. Note, these are color coded. If you have a student who is colorblind, you're going to have to help them and number and give them a little guide to be able to do this color coded. Okay, and you get the point there. Students will type, and then they can make the sticky note as big or as small, whatever, depending on what they need to be able to fit in the templates. Now let's go to a group template. So over here you can see that just says 1. But if you want groups, you're going to need to add more than 1. So all I'm going to do is just click right here, the expand, and then add another one. Ever how many I need, I'll just keep adding. Okay, so you can see the 5 is blank. I'll set the background. Alright, so what this means is that when you have your students in a group, they're all on the same Jamboard, but they will need to toggle back and forth up here to get to the slide that they need to be on. And this might be confusing at first, so it always helps to add pictures so they know exactly what group they're in, or you can add a number, whatever. So if student is in group 1, they should be working on slide 1 of 6. If they are in group 2, slide 2 of 6. And then you could tell them that slide 4 is where they all come together at the end. There's so many different ways that you can play with this and make it really engaging for your students. All right, another thing I want to show you is that you as a teacher, you have a laser function. So if you want to do a temporary mark on something that goes away, use this laser and you can point at things. You can, if you like that answer, you can circle that and then it'll leave. And then also students can add marks on anything, or you can add marks. You can add pictures, you can add circles, just anything over here, and students can do all that too. So make sure they know their functions and what you want them to use or what you do not want them to use. That is all that I have to show you about Jamboard. The number one thing, the most important part, is when you share it and you want them to be able to edit it, you have to change the link to anyone can edit and anyone with the link can edit. That is how you get this to the people. Alright, so I hope that you enjoy this and have fun with your Jamboards. Bye!